I just wanted to talk to you about the power of moving in purpose. See, a lot of us, we confuse our gifting with our purpose. And so then what happens is I put so much energy trying to reveal and trying to be a gift when the gift is connected to my purpose, but it's not my purpose. And so then we end up wasting energy trying to operate out of a gift or a talent instead of operating in purpose. Because then when I operate in my purpose, I'm no longer wasting my energy trying to show or prove that I have a gift or a talent. When I operate in my gift, I'm identifying myself with that gift and I'm telling people, hey, I got something to prove because I have this gift or this talent. And so you waste energy trying to prove your gift instead of operating in purpose, which will magnify your gift. And the other thing about purpose is that when you move in purpose, you no longer waste your energy when you operate in your giftings or your talents, because purpose is connected to what's inside of you. So I'm not wasting my energy trying to prove a gift or a talent because I'm operating in the dimension of my flesh or my emotions. But when I operate in purpose, I'm operating from an eternal place, because we have to stop looking at purpose as a finite thing. My purpose is not finite because God, my Father, my Creator, He is eternal. And when He put that purpose inside of me, that meant that He had an eternal mindset associated with the purpose that was put inside of me. And so now my purpose is eternal. When I operate in my purpose, it puts me in a position to depend on the person who put the purpose inside of me. So now I'm not looking to prove myself because of the gifting. I'm looking for the applause of the Creator who put the purpose inside of me so I can flow from an eternal place of energy. Now I won't become exhausted because I'm moving in purpose. Now I won't drain myself because I'm moving in purpose. I'm not depending on the gift to prove a thing, but I'm depending on my purpose to prove myself to my Creator. Come on. So don't confuse your gift with your purpose. Don't confuse your talent with your purpose. Because you will exhaust yourself, you will drain yourself, you will sleep deprive yourself because you're looking to prove something because your gift was given to you to operate in but not to depend on. And if you depend on your gift, you are not depending on the energy source that can cause you to be able to move and flow in it without exhaustion. Now, there is time for rest. There is time to step away. But when you moving in your gift, and when you moving in your purpose, there are two types of rest that will penetrate and infiltrate your body and your spirit. Because now I am getting unnecessary rest because I'm exhausting myself because I'm operating out of my flesh to prove myself because of my gifting. But when I operate in purpose, I now have to restore my soul so that I can keep this body in subjection to operate fully in my purpose. And then the other thing about purpose is that purpose is so powerful because it isolates you from people. It pulls you away from people because my purpose ain't your purpose. So then I can't depend on you to help me move in my purpose. I can't depend on my environment to help me move in my purpose. I no longer have the ability to make an excuse that you didn't do this, such and such didn't do this. Mommy and daddy, I can't make that excuse because when I move in purpose, I have to depend on the person who gave me the purpose. Mommy and daddy didn't give me the purpose. Family didn't give me the purpose. My friends, my peers, they didn't give me this purpose. So what do I look like looking for them to help me and to feed me to do my purpose? I have to now allow that isolation to create a separation from the norms of what I'm used to and what people expect from me and start to move in the dimension of what my Creator expects from me. Don't confuse your gift with your purpose. Don't confuse your talent with your purpose, because purpose will have you flowing while your gifting will have you pleasing. Your purpose will have you flowing, and your gifting will have you pleasing. I need to please them. I need to prove that I am operating in the prophetic. I need to prove that I can sing. I need to prove that I can do this and I can do that. I'm great at this. I'm great at... You ain't got to prove nothing to nobody but your creator. Your creator knows it's going to take time to develop your gift and for you to mature in your gift. So stop depending on people to give you what you need, when you should be dependent on the creator, our Father, to give you what you need. Because in that, you will flow, you will become more rested, you will have more energy, you will have more focus. You won't be worried about what people say. You won't be worried about what people think. You won't be worried about what people do. You will be aware of it. Your emotions may feel it. You may experience some emotional things, some emotional discomfort inside of you because of it. But guess what? You won't be moved by it because you know your energy, your strength, and your focus is given to you based upon pleasing the Creator and not people. So I pray that this helps you today. Don't confuse your gift with your purpose. Don't confuse your talent or what you're good at with your purpose. Your purpose is far greater. Your gift is nothing but a segue that opens up your eyes and your lenses to what your true purpose is. And you have to use it that way. Don't allow your gift to confuse you and make you become prideful to where you're depending on the gift and not your purpose. Because your purpose makes you depend on your creator. Your gift makes you depend on you and makes you look to you, while your purpose makes you look to the creator and makes you look to him. And so he is now responsible for giving you what you need so that you can operate at your full capacity. I'm not responsible no more. He's responsible. My responsibility is to get what I need from him, not from other people, but from him, so that I can move how I was created to move. I pray that this blesses you.